My name's Barchet and I live here in Verde Village Phase I. I've been here for about a year and I've had solar for about 9 months. My system is a 10-panel solar system. I know that it produces a lot more electricity than I actually use. So now I'm considering purchasing an electric car so that I can use up some extra electricity. I knew that the combination of a very efficiently built home with solar was going to create the combination where solar really makes sense. One of the really nice things that I loved about working with True South and having a solar system is the use of the software. So when True South came over, they hooked up my solar system and they introduced me to SunPower, the software system. It's really great to be able to log on and see the electric production, but also to see what kind of electric usage you have throughout the day and over the course of the year. It's been so much more than I expected. It's producing more electricity than I expected. It was way easier than I expected. I think it's a beautiful solar system. It looks good on all the houses. I love looking out my windows and seeing that my neighbors have solar systems. It's just been a really great experience to work with True South.